Hi, my name is Jackson, and I'm a lab tech at Phizzle. Today, I'm live at Pittcon in San Diego. If you don't already know, Pittcon is one of the largest U.S. pharma conferences where companies come to showcase their latest advancements in laboratory science technology. Right now, from the floor of Pittcon, I'm excited to be demoing live for the first time to the public Phizzle's new solution, Digital Air. Today's demo will showcase how our software-defined architecture powering Digital Air allows us to remotely operate multiple instruments simultaneously. It could be a pH meter and an air particle counter, or a balance and a pH meter. But today, I will be demoing two separate air particle counters. In our Denver lab, we have a Climet 570 and a Met 1 Plus ready to be used. Please note that these are two instruments from separate manufacturers. We understand that our customers have hundreds, if not thousands, of instruments, and every operation has a different mixture of hardware. But with our solution, there is no need to limit you to just one manufacturer. If you prefer to use AeroTrack, we got you covered. If you prefer the Lacier series of particle counters, you're set. Or if you have a mix of Met 1 and Climet devices, that's perfect too. First, I'm going to log on to the Digital Air UI. I can scroll down to my instruments list and see that both instruments are connected and ready to be used. Then I'll click to the measure page. First taking a sample on the Met 1, and then after taking a sample on the Climet. You'll see here I can choose the volume, the units, and the delay time, as well as the location for the sample. And then, again, you're going to enter your credentials as the operator, sign and verify, and that sample is started. Now, I'm going to repeat those steps for the Climet 570 to start its sample. Now you can see that both are in use, and I want you to keep in mind that I'm downtown San Diego right now at the convention center, and both of these devices are being remotely operated from back in the lab at Denver, Colorado. There's no one even in the lab right now. So right now I'll switch to the Zoom, and you can see that these have been started, and they're taking samples, and their particle counts are being tallied on these instruments. As you can see, these two instruments are different. Their functionality and controls also differ greatly when operated physically using the front control panel. Pharma manufacturers have good reason to own a variety of hardware, but what they're really looking for is a standardized data collection process. With Digital Air, there's no difference in how you run a sample or how its data is viewed or collected from the UI itself. This means once your instruments are onboarded, you can remotely operate all of them regardless of model or manufacturer, because they will all look and operate the exact same way. Today, Digital Air is the only solution with capability on the market. Now, after the samples have been finished, and you can see here, there's no time left, and the sample has been completed on the Climet as well, I can go back to the Digital Air UI and view the results. I'll then click to the data page, and you'll see both are completed from the Met 1 Plus and the Climet 570. And after the samples are completed, I can view the data from each sample, and in accordance with 21 CFR Part 11, verify it with an electronic signature. So I'll do that now. I know what this means for all the lab techs that hate wearing bunny suits. With our solution, you can take a sample without even suiting up. Instead, you can take a measurement from anywhere with just a Wi-Fi connection. Once I'm done reviewing the data from each instrument, I can toggle to the Audit Page, which keeps a detailed log of all instrument activity, including start and stop time of a sample and the exact time a result was reviewed. This helps you keep a tight log of all instrument activity and stay in line with your operations SOPs. All I can say is that Digital Air's ability to standardize instrument operation regardless of make, model, or manufacturer, and also sample remotely, makes it a solution unlike anything this market has ever seen. People in the industry have been waiting a long time for something like this, and that's why we thought there was no better place to showcase this for the first time to the public than live at Pittcon, the center of the industry for particle counters and balances. And with Digital Air, it has finally arrived. To learn more about Phizzle, please visit our website at phizzle.com. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a demo to learn more about our game-changing solution, please scan or click the QR code. That's all I have for you today. I want to thank everybody tuning in live or after the fact. Really appreciate it. Thank you again. Have a great day. Tuning out from Pittcon.